Hey, let's work those. Let's work the J. It's points from the very beginning, Julian. There you go. Start working it out now. Good, Julian. Go. Let's go. Chris won? Yeah. Yeah, Chris!
Go, man.
Oh, God. I hate rolling with him. He just started like 2 weeks ago. He was like, should I compete? I'm like, sure. Hey, Julian. Let's go. Kimura, take him down with it. Hey.
You gotta work the angle.
There you go, Julian.
You gotta work the angles.
Let's get to working. Come on. Hey, tomorrow. Snap him down. Snap him down. Take his back. Sprawl. Snap. Snap, Julian. Snap. You gonna play this game the whole time? Or we're gonna do jiu-jitsu?
You gotta do something.
There we go. Hey, let's work it now, Julian. Hey, take it, take it, take it. Let's go.
Hey, heavy, buddy.
Take it, Julian. Finish it. Let's go. Let's finish. Yeah.
Oh, that's my brother. Good.
Here you go, Julian.
That was fast.